Finally inside Satago, race number 2. H. Webber, the World Panel Racing, Paypaluk, Diamond Lane, Best Support, My Lady Consana, joining in on the outside. It's now My Lady Consa, Paypaluk, Best Support, Diamond Lane, moving up now is Barisa. And Batang Baliches on the outside, and followed by Luffy Manila Boy. And at a straight day trouble is My Lady Consa, Liz Malang, followed by Paypaluka. Tulangs back to Best Support, Bernice, moving up na the outside, Batang Baliches, Diamond Lane, Luffy also joining in. Tulangs back, Manila Boy, then followed by Lahaina and Lawang Batu, who's running in a telegraph field towards the last 600. My Lady Consa by some 4 lengths. Here comes Batang. Nobaliches carrying closer in second. Lufena running in third. Best Support, Dennis. Then followed by Paypaluk, moving up now. Is Lahaina for the outside. And towards the final turn, Batang, Nobaliches, Mallory Consa, Luffy, sneaking barrel down to the finish. It is still Batang, Nobaliches by some 4 lengths, followed by Luffy, Mallory Consa, and finally Batang, Nobaliches. Second, Luffy, My Lady Consa, Manila Boy close with Lawang Bato, best effort.
Okay, Bayang Karanista, yan po ang nangyari sa inyong race number 2 kung saan ang ating unofficial winner dito, entry number 9, yan po ang liyamado para sa karerang ito. Yan po si Batang Nobaliches kung saan ang Romendo dyan, Mark M. Gonzalez, masasegundo 10 horse Luffy, numero 8 My Lady Consa, 1 Manila Boy, 7 na si Lawang Bato at numero 5 para sa inyong Super 6 best effort. Unofficial placing natin 9, 10, 8, 1, 7, 5. Tingnan po natin ang inyong replay.